Welcome to One Kanji a Day, the Surviving Japan edition. Picture this. You just stepped off the train in Tokyo, and you have no idea which way is out. Let's fix that in 2 minutes. Here is today's lifesaver. Quick question. Which way to the exit? This character is your answer. It reads de or shutsu in longer words. It means exit, to go out. 5 strokes. In compounds, it usually sounds like shitsu. And on a sign, it teams up to spell your way out. 2 little mountains stacked on top of each other. Imagine climbing up and out of the station to escape into the city. Now, let's write. 5 strokes. Follow along on screen, nice and slow. Where you'll actually see it. Deguchi. Deguchi means exit, your best friend in any station. Shuppatsu means departure, and gaishitsu means going out. Don't mix it up. Yama, read yama, is mountain, and you can see why these look alike. Tomare means stop, which we'll cover later. So that's exit, 5 strokes, read de or shutsu. Survival tip, follow the yellow deguchi signs and mind the escalator. In Tokyo, you stand on the left and let people pass on the right. Welcome back to Surviving Japan, One Kanji a Day. Yesterday, we found the exit. Today, the opposite problem. Which door do I go in? Here's today's kanji. And a warning, it has an evil twin. It reads iru or hairu, and new inside words. It means enter, to go in. Only 2 strokes, so this one is easy to write, but easy to confuse. Picture a person leaning forward to duck in through a low doorway. Lean in, and you're entering. Let's write it. Just 2 strokes. The trick is the longer stroke starts on top. Watch the order. In the wild, iriguchi means entrance. Nyūjō means admission. You'll see it at attractions. And kinyu means filling in a form. Here's the evil twin. Red hito means person, and it is almost identical. The difference is which stroke pokes out on top. Red hatsi, is 8. So that's iru, enter. 2 strokes, read iru or new. Survival tip, at a restaurant, wait near the iruku to be seated. Don't just grab a table. That's a quick way to confuse everyone. Surviving Japan, One Kanji a Day. In Japan, life runs on the train, and every journey ends at one place. This character marks it. Today's kanji looks scary, 14 strokes, but you only need to recognize it, not write it from memory. It reads eki. It means train station. There's no everyday kun reading, it's just eki. Every station name in the country ends with this character. On the left is a horse. Long ago, these were relay posts where you swapped tired horses. Today, you swap trains instead. Let's see it written. 14 strokes. Don't panic. Just trace the shape so you can spot it on a map. Where it shows up. Eki is station. Ekimae means in front of the station, a popular meeting spot. And Tokyo Eki is Tokyo Station itself. Look-alikes share that left side. Uma, read uma, means horse, the piece hiding inside. Wake, read wake, means reason, and shares the right half. So that's eki, station. Read eki. Survival tip. On the platform and the train, keep your voice down and your phone on silent. Loud phone calls on Japanese trains are a real cultural no-no. See you tomorrow. Surviving Japan, one kanji a day. Let's talk money, because you cannot eat ramen without it. This little character sits on every price tag in the country. Today's kanji is short and sweet, 4 strokes. It reads en, and yes, that's where the word yen comes from. It means yen, the currency, and also circle, 4 strokes. When you see it after a number, that number is a price. Think of a round coin, simplified down. The old shape was fuller and rounder, like the circle it stands for. Let's write it. 4 strokes, a neat little box with legs. Follow along. On every receipt, 1000 yen, 1000 yen is 1,000 yen. 100 yen is 100 yen, and en on its own, en, just means yen. Easy to confuse. Uchi, read uchi, means inside. Yo, read you, means use or business. All 3 are boxy, so check the inner lines. So that's en, yen, 4 strokes, read en. Survival tip? Do not tip in Japan. There is no tipping culture, and leaving extra cash can actually confuse or offend staff. Pay the price on the tag and use the little tray for your cash. See you tomorrow. Surviving Japan, one kanji a day. Nature is calling, and you're facing 2 doors. Pick the wrong one, and well, awkward. Let's get this right. Today's kanji guards one of those doors. It reads otoko, or done, in many words. Memorize the shape now, thank yourself later. It means man, male, 7 strokes. On restaurant doors, it's often blue, but never trust the color alone. Read the kanji. Look inside. A rice field on top and power underneath. The one who brought muscle to the fields. Let's write it. 7 strokes, field on top, power below. Follow the order. In real life, otoko is man. Dansei is male, the polite word on signs. And otokonoko is a boy. It's built from 2 kanji you can spot. Ta, read ta, is rice field. Chikara, read chikara, is power. So that's otoko, man. 7 strokes, read otoko or done. Survival tip, many restrooms have special slippers just for inside. If you slip them on, remember to take them off before you leave. Strolling back to your table in toilet slippers is a classic tourist blunder. Surviving Japan, one kanji a day. We're back at those 2 restroom doors. Yesterday, we learned man. Today, it's partner. Here's today's kanji, the other door. It reads onna, or jo in many words. Just 3 strokes, but they flow. It means woman, female. 3 strokes. On signs, look for the polite form, and we'll see it in a second. Picture a figure kneeling, with arms gently folded. It's the old brush drawing of a woman. Let's write it. 3 strokes, but the order matters, so watch carefully. It's all curves and crosses. In real use, onna is woman, josei is female, the word on the door, and kanojo means she or girlfriend. Don't confuse it. Read yasu means cheap and has this character on the bottom. Haha, read haha means mother and looks related. So that's onna, woman. 3 strokes, read onna or jo. Survival tip. Many trains have women-only cars during rush hour, marked in pink with this kanji. Great to know. And gentlemen, those cars are off limits at those times. Surviving Japan. One kanji a day. You're at a quiet street corner, not a car in sight, and every local is just standing there. This kanji explains why. Today's kanji is a command. It reads tomaru, or shi in compounds. When you see it painted on the road, it's talking to you. It means stop, to halt. 4 strokes. On a red triangle at an intersection, it means exactly what you think. It started as a footprint pressed into the ground. The foot has planted itself and stopped. Let's write it. 4 strokes. A simple, sturdy shape, fitting for stop. Follow along. Out there, tomare, painted on the road, means stop. Chushi means canceled, common for events. And tsukodome means road closed. It hides inside other kanji. Se, read sei, means correct. O, read aruku, means to walk, and literally contains stop. So that's tomaru, stop. 4 strokes, read tomaru or shi. Survival tip. In Japan, people wait for the green man, even with no cars coming. Jaywalking is frowned upon, especially in front of kids. So when in doubt, stop and wait.